My name is Janet Whitehead. I work for Dr. Carmine Otis. He's an electrophysiologist here at Central Georgia Heart Center. We specialize in the management of heart rhythms and heart failure patients. We take care of patients who have pacemakers, defibrillators, and who need to undergo cardiac ablation or have already undergone cardiac ablation, and we continue their medication management. I got my undergrad from Georgia College and State University. I graduated in 2001, and I received a Master's of Science in Nursing from the University of Alabama in 2014 with a specialty in adult and gerontological nurse practitioner. I started out in 2001 working in the cardiac ICU. I spent some time there and then eventually went to work with Dr. Jones and Dr. DeRogie very closely in the cath lab at the medical center here in Macon. I worked there for several years with them and learned a lot. After that, I went to work for a pacemaker company. We assisted with the implants of the pacemakers and defibrillators in the EP lab, and I spent a good deal of time with Dr. Otis doing that for about 9 years. I eventually learned how to help him with ablations as well. I would create a three-dimensional model of the heart while he did the ablation, and I would map out the ablation lesions for him. So we did that for about two or three years as well. The team here, from the physicians to the nurse practitioners to the medical assistants down to the staff who work behind the scenes, the loyalty that they've shown in working here for the longest time, their dedication, the family atmosphere, the way that everybody works hard, works together to take care of the patient. It's very patient-centered here, and our patients often feel like part of the family as well. I feel like they respect the education that I've received, and I've learned a lot from these doctors. I continue to learn, and Dr. Otis has been wonderful as far as mentorship and just continuing to educate along the way. My philosophy of medicine is a patient-centered approach. I want to take care of my patients like I would expect to be taken care of, like I would want my parents taken care of or my children. I like thoroughness and compassion. I believe in listening to the patient and having the patient contribute to their treatment plan. I'd like for our referring physicians and other specialists to know that we have cutting-edge technology here at Central Georgia Heart Center. We have many providers that can handle large volumes of patients throughout the week, and we specialize in taking great care of our patients. Well, I'm 38 years old. I've born and raised in Central Georgia. I've lived in Forsyth pretty much my whole life. I have 3 boys. I have a 16-year-old stepson, Brody. I have 2 younger children, Maddox and Eli. Maddox is 7 and Eli is 5. I enjoy reading, gardening, hiking, and traveling, especially to the beach, and I really enjoy my family time.